Listen to following lecture or conversation, and then answer the most of choice questions based on the content.
The future of remote work and its impact on employment. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's lecture on work and employment. Our focus will be on the future of remote work and how it is reshaping the employment landscape. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of remote work across the globe. Initially, it was seen as a temporary measure, but as businesses adapted, many found that remote work offered numerous advantages, such as reduced overhead costs, increased flexibility, and access to a broader talent pool. As a result, remote work is likely here to stay, even as the pandemic subsides. One of the key benefits of remote work is the ability for employees to achieve a better work-life balance. Without the need to commute, workers can spend more time with their families or engage in personal activities. This flexibility has led to higher job satisfaction and, in many cases, increased productivity. Companies have noticed that employees who work remotely often report feeling more empowered and motivated, which can lead to improved performance. However, remote work is not without its challenges. One significant issue is the potential for isolation. Working from home can lead to a lack of social interaction, which may affect mental health and team cohesion. Companies need to find ways to foster a sense of community and connection among remote workers, perhaps through regular virtual meetings, team-building activities, or even occasional in-person meetups. Another challenge is maintaining work discipline. The freedom to work from anywhere can sometimes blur the lines between personal and professional life, making it difficult for employees to switch off. Employers must set clear expectations and provide tools to help workers manage their time effectively. The shift towards remote work is also influencing the types of jobs that are in demand. Roles in IT, digital marketing, and customer support, which can be performed online, are seeing growth. On the other hand, jobs that require a physical presence, such as in healthcare, construction, and retail, continue to be essential but may not offer the same flexibility. Looking forward, the hybrid model, which combines remote work with traditional office work, is gaining popularity. This model offers the best of both worlds, the flexibility of remote work and the social interaction of office work. Companies that embrace this model may find themselves more attractive to top talent, especially younger workers who value flexibility. In conclusion, the future of work is likely to be a mix of remote and in-office work. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential benefits for both employers and employees are significant. The key will be finding the right balance and creating a work environment that supports productivity, well-being, and collaboration, regardless of where the work is being done.
What is the main topic of the lecture? What is one significant benefit of remote work mentioned in the lecture? What can be inferred about the hybrid model of work from the lecture? Why does the lecturer mention the impact of remote work on job types? What does the word cohesion most closely mean as used in the lecture? According to the lecture, what should companies do to address the isolation of remote workers? How does the lecturer view the role of remote work in the future? Correct answers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.